Good morning, y'all. How y'all doing? I am John from Onward Adventures. Hope you guys are doing well. And last night I did camp out on my truck bed here in Big Lagoon. I didn't get to make any videos last night since I was coming in pretty late. I only had about 2 hours of daylight left. So I decided to go ahead and put down the camera and set my tent up and all my gear. I got it all laid out and all that stuff for me to use. I will be here for 2 nights, but for today's episode, I'll be making one of my favorite truck camping meals. So hopefully you guys stay tuned and like this video. But first, let's go ahead and make some coffee. Coffee is served. Alright y'all, I'm just checking back in. I know this video is a little shaky. I am on a bike, so this place is just beautiful. There's a lot of places you could go ahead and walk through. They have boardwalks everywhere, amphitheaters, they have a picnic area, a playground for the kids. Also, they have a lot of trails here. It is still early in the morning, so I'm gonna head back to camp and make my brunch, because it is about that time. So anyways, hope you guys like the scenery so far. I'll take you guys out in more adventures after my brunch, and hopefully I could go ahead and take you guys with me before my GoPro does die. I am using a GoPro Hero 5. I don't have any other cameras or any other GoPros I could shoot with, so I'm using what I have right now, and hopefully I could get a newer version of the GoPro or camera. I am not very familiar with any cameras or how to shoot videos, and if you guys have any recommendation on what type of GoPro, if you guys recommend the 7 or the 8, because I've been looking at them and I just don't know what to look for, or like a camera or something, a small camera that I could take around if I want to go out, go ahead and go biking, hiking, or even camping. Just a small camera. Really enjoying this day right now, and I can't complain with Big Lagoon. Beautiful place. Highly suggest if you guys are around the area, if you're in Florida, Pensacola, Florida, I highly suggest for you guys to come check out Big Lagoon. All right, y'all, I'll check in with you guys in a little bit.
Oh yeah, this is golden brown. It's gonna be very crispy. Alright y'all, ready to put this thing together. So all you have to do is go get yourself a bowl, put the pork belly on a bowl, add some onions. You could put as much onions as you want, right? And then go ahead and grab you some soy sauce. It could be any type of soy sauce. Just add a little bit of soy sauce. That should be enough right there. Go ahead and grab your lemon, squeeze them. Now I like lemon, so I'm about to go ahead and put 2 whole lemon. Go ahead and mix them together a little bit. Go ahead and put your green onions. Of course, you guys already know the deal. My go-to ready rice. I like the basmati rice. I think it tastes the best. There's different kinds. You got like brown rice, white rice, regular white rice, but this is actually like long grain and they're just amazing. You can actually put this in the microwave, but since I'm camping, I don't got a microwave, just put it on the stove. You guys probably seen it multiple times in my last video. So yeah, my go-to.
What's going on, y'all? Just got done cooking. Check it out.
I'm gonna go enjoy this meal real quick, and I'll check in back with you guys in a little bit. Alright, y'all, I just got done eating, and I'm about to do one of the most annoying thing I have to do every single time I go camp out, and it's washing the dishes. I hate washing the dishes. I do like eating, cooking, and all that stuff, but washing the dishes is not my cup of tea. Anyways, what I use to wash my dishes is this little jug. I got this from Walmart. This is a 6-gallon container, I believe. It is from Ozark Trail, and what I did was I actually put a little faucet, and I got this from Lowe's, I believe, or Home Depot. And what I did was I drilled a hole, and I drilled a hole just enough for this to fit in there, and I actually got that whatever type of glue it is for piping. I glued it on together, and now it's watertight pretty much for the most part. It still leaks a little bit, but it works. Alright, as you can tell, you probably hear it right now. It is dripping. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and set this things up. I got me a little bottle of Gain, and just boom, boom, boom. Make sure each and every single one get it. Oh, there we go. Now all I gotta do is open this right here. Now, in order for me to save some water, I usually just get this right here and dump it to the next one. Now, I got this soap holder to put my steel wool in there. Anyways, put it here so it keeps it watertight just a little bit. Get it organized at least. Now let's go ahead and start washing this off. I usually don't like waiting to let this air dry. So what I usually do is wipe it with this shop towel. So I like this shop towel way better because all the lint and all that stuff doesn't stick to the dishes. Now these red ones, they do. I washed this a few times and the lint still sticks into the dishes. So I only use this to wipe down the table, my stove, and all that stuff. So I'll go ahead and use this, dry them all out. Boom, dry. Quick and easy. Alright, so my pans, this and this one, I got from Firebox. He's another YouTuber. I've actually ran into his videos. I was looking for camping cookware, and I ran into his videos, and I didn't know he was selling these. They're titanium. This is very, very convenient because when I purchased this, everything came together. It has a chopping board. It has, of course, you got your fork, your spoon, and then if you want to use it as a tongue, it includes this orange thing with it. All you gotta do is insert them. Boom, there's your tongs right here. But anyways, the way you put this is the plate fits exactly into the frying pan, and then you got your chopping board, perfect fit, and then you got this too. And also, you have this little grabber for the pan and the frying pan. And it comes into this very, very neat and durable canvas bag. So it goes all together. Oh, and then I just added these 2 little plates from Walmart. Alright y'all, just made it to a trail. I'm gonna go ahead and ride my bike inside. I'm not sure how far and I could go, because usually all these trails in Florida is all sand. But it looks good right now, it looks promising. But if it is all sand, I'm probably gonna park my bike somewhere and then start walking to the trail. Let's go ahead and get to it. I apologize right now. This will be a very, very shaky video. But hang on tight, y'all. Let's see how far this thing goes before we hit sand. Deer just ran across us. That was a big deer. That does not look promising, guys. I'll give it a go though. So I'm bringing my bike through too. Check this out, guys. I just stumbled into this. There was a couple walking their dogs and biking in this boardwalk, which I shouldn't be biking this boardwalk. It's not enough space. Anyways, this is what I stumbled into. This is a pretty cool place, man. Back at it, y'all. Woo! I have a feeling this goes towards the beach. Actually, it goes to the pond. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around. Might be alligators and stuff there, so I am in Florida. Don't want to risk it.
what, guys? Biking in the sand is a real workout, y'all. Just like an elliptical. Ooh.